Now ordinarily during this time of year, we'd be actually out working with the community, hand in hand, teaching kids how to build drones, about entrepreneurship and other STEAM-related activities. But due to the extenuating circumstances, we're adhering to safety protocol and recommendations, so we're assembling Drone Camp in a Box.
This is our new initiative that we are taking to underserved, underprivileged students in Baltimore City.
Each drone in the box contains drone safety rules, drone activity guide, the Global Air Drone Academy t-shirt, the drone, and of course our custom online curriculum for students to learn about STEAM and the drone industry.
Our partners in the Y of Central Maryland have been generous enough to donate 10 boxes to students right here in the neighborhood. But we know that there are a lot more students in Baltimore that need these STEAM activities throughout the summer. We need your support. Kids need a fun, engaging activity, especially while they're out of school. We have a goal of reaching 500 students. Go to our website at globalairdroneacademy.org. All the information is there for you to donate one of these boxes to a kid in Baltimore who needs it the most.